Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 9th, 2021, Kadena. I wanted to come in real quick, give y'all an emergency update as to what now. I did a video not long ago in Kadena speaking on what I was looking forward to going into the future. I didn't do a price prediction, but now we got a couple more days added to the price chart that we should be able to see what the market is trying to do for Kadena. So welcome to HueFin. Before I get started, make sure if you guys appreciate the videos, the content, the price predictions, hit the like button instead of any. Also subscribe here to the channel because this is what I do. I'm not here to give you all a lot of fluff, a lot of fun, a lot of FOMO. It is what it is from the price perspective, and we simply follow price and nothing else. We erase the noise. We don't have the confusion in regards to what price is going to do. So if you guys find that interesting, like I said before, do all those things. Now, December the 4th was the last video that I did in Kadena. You guys can see it. I didn't put a price prediction on the chart because I wanted to see what the market was really trying to do, because at that particular moment, we saw a pretty good movement to the downside in Kadena, right? And I showed you on that day that around $10 is where support is. That is where the buyers were at. And take a look, today is the 9th. So 4 days additional trading has been added to this price chart. And you can still tell that Kadena is not falling. We needed to see that for us to know where are the buyers. So look at this, the buyers are here. They have made a determination that they were willing to prop up Kadena's price at $10. Fantastic. That is something that we needed to see, right? And we saw that based off this volume right here. Okay, December the 6th. December the 6th. Kadena saw a whole lot of volume come through on that day, right? And look at that. If that was selling going on right here on December the 6th, guess what? The market would not have held support above $10 on the 7th, on the 8th, and even on the 9th today. If that was truly selling going on, price would have broken $10 to the downside, right? But so far, the market has been elevated above $10, which is fantastic, like I said. Now that has to be maintained though. I don't want you all to think that it's all cool, everything is copacetic and everything is fine and dandy, because it's not. We still have to understand that Kadena is still in a downtrend. I mean, look at my downtrending line, right? We're still in a downtrend. So let's keep that in mind as well. So I don't want you all to think that we're massively bullish in this space, because you all can visually see that price is going down. But we have found a basis of support around $10. That's the start. That's the start of us noticing that the market may have found a landing zone to where we might finally see price break out. Okay, so let's see what else we have on the chart. Let me show you all the 3-day time frame. So look at this. This is the 3-day time frame into the market in Kadena. The high volume on this last completed 3-day price bar, it came through. We saw a whole lot of volume in Kadena since November the 9th. We haven't seen this much volume come through this market for Kadena since November the 9th. And we were trading around $28 then. Well, here we are. From November the 9th, right, at the high, to where price is now, we're down 60%, right? 60. In less than a month. Price in Kadena is down 60%, which is why we're understanding that the buyers felt that price being down 60% from all-time highs in Kadena, it might be attractive for us to nibble and get a little bit more Kadena, right? That's pretty much what the market is trying to show us from a chart perspective. We saw the market dip over the last 3 days, come all the way down and hit $10, and we was able to see it close up there towards the high of the bar. The buyers came through. Cool. Let me show you all the 2-day time frame. Look at this. You guys can still tell this 2-day time frame right here was pretty much a wash. The market was trying to figure itself out. It was trying to figure out, okay, which one is going to win? It's going to be the sellers, it's going to be the buyers, right? Well, I think we got an answer, because right here, the buyers won on this last completed 2-day price bar, because the market is still winning. They're still trying to come through and prop up Kadena's price above $10. So right now the buyers are in control, but then you see this current 2-day price bar. The sellers are still here too. So the game ain't over between the buyers and the sellers. They're still out there trying to battle it out, trying to figure out which one is going to dominate the market now. People are selling, but the buyers are winning. They're edging out a little bit better than the sellers. I will give you that. Okay. So we have all of that already in play. Okay. We do. Now, we need this area to hold support, right? Because when you see this from a weekly perspective, we are no longer in a upward trend from a weekly perspective. So we're trying to create a support price. We're trying to create a location to where the buyers are willing to prop up Kadena's price so that maybe we can start a different trend, so that maybe we can start another ascending line, right? This is what we need to see. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the strength into the market solely because of seeing price and buyers propping up the market around $10, right? Now, everything's going to be contingent on that, okay? Right in and around $10. We will need to see the market in Kadena keep itself from falling. We cannot see price break below that. Under no circumstance, we can't. Because it lets me know that this was just a place to where majority of the sellers were willing to sell more of their position in Kadena before price continues to go down. Right? So let me go ahead and play the strength into the market in Kadena right now. Not going to be overly strong. I'm not going to be overly bullish because, like I told you already, we got this descending line. We're still in a downtrend in the market in Kadena. So I would TP the market out in Kadena right there around $13.50. 50 cents. Okay. So let me show you all this on the hourly perspective. That would be the first spot. $13.50. The second area is going to be up here towards 14. Okay. This is about 23%. We can see that happen into the market in Kadena over the next couple of days, maybe a week or so. Right? Now, go ahead and switch this back over to the daily time frame so you guys can visually see it. That this is our current price prediction on the table into the market in Kadena. Basically, what happened the last couple of days has shown us that the market is willing to prop up Kadena's price, which is why we're playing the strength into the market on this package. Looking for the price to go up. We got $13.50 first. Second level is going to be up there around $14 for us to look for Kadena's price to go up. And then from there, we'll be testing this descending line, right? We're going to look to see whether or not the buyers will be able to overcome the overall downtrend. Because if they break this downtrend line, then yeah, we're on a fantastic move higher, maybe even hit 16. But we got to see the price break that descending line first. All right, so that is it. I want you all to tell me real quick, what are you noticing on the price chart without the confusion? You don't need anything else to determine where price is going to go. You just need price volume and volume. So seeing what I've shown you today on the chart, what is your price prediction in the market for Kadena? Let me know. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.